AI is in the air. It's in our systems. And I wonder, Sandra, if you're an executive um, about to embark upon a search, or you've been, kind of stumbling through it, and you're looking at this tool and wondering, how do I use it? How do I deploy it in an effective way? What role does it play in my search? What do we say to people at ExecuNet?
Well, I think you have to know where to use it.
Mhm.
And you have to know what you want it to do for you. If you're looking for it to figure out your value proposition, it's not going to work. One of the things I started to see people do, like late last year, was when I kind of started noticing it, is people would, you know, they hear, oh, let me just take my resume and take the job description, put it into chat, and then like form a resume for that job posting. And then they weren't getting any responses. So here's what you need to know. Number one, there is the odds that that job description is accurate at the executive level is a lot slimmer, like we talked about, which is why that has some element of truth behind it if you're saying like a transactional level role where you know that job description is accurate. Now, as a recruiter, a lot of times our clients would come to us. They haven't put together a job description. They're just telling us these things that they need to have accomplished, but they don't have a job description. But we did like to post one to see what we could get. So we put one together. And I just go on Indeed and I used to just copy and paste and put one together. And now you can just AI one. So that's a fabricated position just designed to be, let's see who we get. So when you customize a resume to that, you're in trouble two ways. Number one, you're customizing it to something that is not necessarily accurate. Number two, there is software now in the applicant tracking systems that uses AI to determine whether or not it used AI to build the resume to screen you out.
It's robot wars, everyone.
And there is no greater success for an executive to be seen than to have your resume say something that is so on point that they're looking for that they did not even put in their job description. Then I'm going to tell you, for 100% immediately think it must be true. It wasn't even in the job description. So you don't want to use it to customize your resume, for one. You don't want to use it to customize your emails because your emails should not be a quantity, they should be a quality. You should make an email for somebody that could not be written for anybody else but that person. And if you want to use it a little bit to help you with your language and help you with some stuff, okay, we all do that. But then go back and fix it to make sure it's your voice. Um, if you really want to help, if you really want to start posting content on LinkedIn, sure, you can help you do some of that. But again, you got to fix the voice. Where the AI is really coming in handy, and I know where we're using it a lot, is to make sure that we're using the data and analytics to check for gaps based on what scenarios would need, not necessarily the job posting, but the desired job of that person versus what they have.
Mhm.
And to do the research to figure out who it is they should be getting in front of. That's where AI, as we've been working with it, when we're working with people, have really accelerated people's job search for quality versus quantity activity so they can optimize the amount of time they spend on their job search.